friends, welcome back. I am Trilojan. Let's continue with Python series. In the previous tutorial, we have discussed numbers, strings, list and tuple with an example of methods, various methods and uses in Python. In this tutorial, we will discuss one more data type, sets. So, we are going to discuss what is set, how to create them and all operations performed on set in Python. Let's understand what is set. A set is an unordered collection of items. Every set element is unique, means there are no duplicate elements in the set and must be immutable, meaning the item cannot be changed. However, a set itself is mutable. We can add or remove items from it. In the first tutorial, I said Python is more like mathematics. So, sets can also be used to perform mathematical set operations like union, intersection, symmetric difference, etc. We can create a set by placing all the items inside curly braces and separated by comma, or by using set functions. This is built-in function in Python. Okay, so let's print this one so to understand is it working or not. Okay, here it is. The first one is your set and second one is type of sets. But in Python it's little tricky to create a empty set. Okay, so empty curly braces will make an empty dictionary in Python. To make a set without any elements, we use set function without any argument. Okay, so let me show you. Here it is. If we make it is empty, so here my set will be in different result. Let me show you. Here it is, and class is dictionary. So dictionary is another data type we will discuss next video. Okay, but so for set, the empty set we have to make like this. Set, we have to use set inbuilt function to initialize the set. Okay, so here it is, set, and your class will be the set. So this is how you can create set in Python. Modifying a set in Python is in different way, like sets are mutable. However, since they are unordered, indexing has no meaning. We cannot access or change an element of a set using indexing or slicing operator as we have done in list and tuple. Set data type does not support it. Okay, we can add a single element using add method and multiple elements using the update method. The update method can take tuples, list, string or other set as its argument. Like, so let me show you here. This was our set, right? So here we can, yes, this is not needed. Here let me clear this one to more visible. Okay, so this is one of our set is there with us. Okay, so let me change using the add method. So here we can add my set dot add. Here it is the method. We can add a single value here. Okay, suppose what is not there, 5, because this is unique. Set is unique one, so if you add some duplicate value, that will be the same. Like if you want to add a 2 here, it will be 1.1 and 2, 3, 4 and 3. This is how the set will work. So let me print this one. Okay, here it is. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3. Okay, so this is how we can add multiple data. Here we can using update method. This is using update method. We can pass here list. So let me check. So 6 comma 7 comma 8. So this is how you can add multiple data here. So let me print again. Here it is 1.1 2 3 4 5 6. Sorry, there is no 5 6 7 8 12. Okay, so this is how you can add multiple data in a set. Okay, so similarly you can add one more sets also. Let's comma, here you can add 1 comma 5 which is not present in the list. Okay, so one more, suppose already we have the data, duplicate data we can add, try to add, so it will be the same, like the unique data will be there. Okay, let me try. Here it is 1 2 3 4 1 6 7 8 5. So it will remove all the duplicate data. So we have added 5 one more time, like 2 times we have added, right? Here is 5 and another 5 is here, and we have added 4. Already 4 was there and we have added one more 4, but in list the final set will be the 1 4 and 1 5. That means here unique set is unique. Okay, a particular item can be removed from a set using the methods discard and remove. The only difference between the two is that the discard function leaves a set unchanged if the element is not present in the set. On the other hand, the remove function will raise an error in such a condition if element is not present in the set. So let's try this one. Here, so yes, we have my set already here, so we can use the first discard. Okay, my underscore set dot discard. Suppose we want to remove 4 here. Okay, so let me check. Here it is 1 2 3 1 6 7 8 5. There is no 4 in our set. So if we try the same function, let me try here. Suppose we don't have 9 in our set, so let's try to remove this one. Here it is. Here there is no error. Okay, but the same way, if we want use remove here, first remove for 4. Okay, here it is. So let's try this. Here it is 1 2 3 1 6. 4 was present, so we can remove. If there is no existence element, if we try to remove this, it will give you the error. Let's try. Here it is. So key error 9. It means that only we can use discard and remove method, but there is no difference. Like only difference is it will raise the error and it will not raise the error. The discard is I think is the easiest way to remove your elements. Okay, similarly we can remove and return an item using the pop method. Okay, since set is unordered data type, there is no way of determining which item will be popped. It is complementary, like completely arbitrary. We can also remove all the items from the set using the clear method. So let me show you how clear method you can use. So here we can use simple clear. Here it is. You print this one. The set is empty. Okay. Similarly, we can pop any random element. You can use pop method here. Okay. So here it is. If I use pop, so it will remove which one. Let's print this and see the result. Here it is. It means 2 3. There is any random method, like a random element is removed from the set, like 1.1 is removed. So the first element is removed here. Okay, So this is all about set. So I hope you like this video, and thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much.